Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're giving you a hands-on look at the LED-715-4KIP, a 7-inch ruggedized IP and analog camera test monitor with built-in multimeter functionality. If you install or service surveillance systems, this tool can help streamline your workflow. The LED-715-4KIP features a 7-inch high-res screen and a durable field-ready housing, perfect for on-site camera setup and troubleshooting. It supports both IP and analog video inputs, making it a versatile option whether you're working with legacy systems or modern networks. It also includes an 8GB SD card with a port that supports up to 32GB, so you can save snapshots, test videos, or logs while you're in the field. Let's say you're on site at a warehouse installing a new IP surveillance system. You connect the camera directly to the monitor using PoE. Instantly, the live feed appears on the display. No need to lug around a laptop or go back and forth to the NVR. With the interactive on-screen touch menu, you can quickly switch views, access network systems, check IP addresses, and even run a cable test, all right from the monitor. The intuitive layout means less button pushing and more productivity. The LED-715-4KIP is more than just a monitor. It's a field technician's toolkit in one device. IP or analog, PoE or coax diagnostics, or installation, it handles it all with rugged reliability. If you're in the business of video surveillance installs, this is a cool tool that pays for itself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more pro tools and tips, and drop a comment if you have questions about this unit. See you in the next one.